In this video, we're going to learn about the driver assistance system control stalk. You can adjust this stalk in a number of different ways. Let's start by turning on and off your assistance systems. This is done with a button at the end of the stalk. You'll select that button and you'll have a pop-up in the instrument cluster and the PCM with a variety of options. Now, if these options go away too quickly, you can just push the button again and they will return. Because this car is equipped with InnoDrive, you have speed limits, route, and lane keeping. You can adjust these, turn them on and off by just selecting each icon. Each time you press the assistance system stalk on or off button, you will cycle through the assistance system mode, whether it is adaptive cruise control, including InnoDrive, or speed limiter, or turning the system off. Real quick, we'll turn adaptive cruise control and InnoDrive back on. To use the assistance system control lever while driving and set a speed limit, you will push down or up on the assistance system control lever. Pushing up will also increase the speed in which you have set for the cruise control. If you would like to increase in 5-mile-per-hour increments, you would push up past the detent and it will increase in 5-mile-an-hour increments. The decrease works in a similar way. You would push down on the assistance system stalk for a single mile-per-hour reduction, and you would push down past the detent to get a 5-mile-an-hour reduction in speed. To cancel your cruise control, push away on the assistance system stalk. If you would like to resume your cruise, pull towards you on the assistance system stalk. If you would like to increase the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, you can use the rocker switch on the front of the assistance system stalk. Push up for the vehicle to be further away from you, and pull down if you would like the vehicle in front of you closer to you. You can also turn on and off lane keep assist with a button on the bottom of the assistance system stalk. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and you will see on the instrument cluster that the lane keep assist is off. If you would like to turn this back on, press the button and it will turn back on. You now can use the driver assistance system stalk in your new Taycan.